Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you are a wine lover like me, then you probably want to avoid spoilage and spillage as much as possible. I have found this WOTOR vacuum pump and stopper kit to be just perfect for avoiding both of those things. In the past, I would usually just use the old cork and try to stuff it back in the partially full bottle of wine. Using this vacuum pump and stopper system is far superior to that. When I would use the old cork, I would always have to keep my wine bottle upright and I couldn't put it back in my wine rack on my wall. After using the vacuum to seal in the stopper in my wine bottle, I can put it back on my wine rack and absolutely nothing spills out. It creates such an airtight, snug, and secure hold on the bottle. Creating that airtight seal is also essential for limiting the amount of air exposure that my wine gets. This can possibly extend the life of my wine, limit contaminants getting into my wine, and also preserve the flavor of it. When I'm ready to drink the rest of my wine, the stopper is really easy to remove. I just release the vacuum seal and it sounds like this. Then we're ready to enjoy the remainder of our wine. This has been such a handy set for me to have around to help me to preserve my wine. And that's my point of view.